better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find you. All my love and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Uno, dos, tres, go!
Scratch mix it.
Hey, Joe.
Ice on me, baby, that's cold. Take your time for me, baby, go low. And the eight cousin go slow.
Hey y'all! Every time I come on here, I come on as a different person. But y'all know what time it is. It's time. The time has come where it's time to go on a little trip. And it's spring break. And where's spring break come alive? We're going to Miami. I'll see you guys at JFK and hopefully on the plane, not during check-in. Later. I can't even get through. All this I need to put my freaking mask on. Oh my god! We made it, girl. Why we didn't miss the flight when we were sitting at the gate for 30 minutes? I'll see you guys in Miami. Luggage. That's the heavy tag. But we picked up luggage and now we are going to pick up a car. Oops.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had the white, so what you tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fly when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments.
Wow. She looks so good. Wow. This is what she giving. A little Chevy or whatever. It's not no goddamn German. But at the end of the day, we need to get from point A to point B. Ah, what is that? A whole insect is driving on the road. Let's go, friend. We're heading to brunch at Serena Rooftop. I literally found this on TikTok, so we're just gonna go there, chill out, eat for a few or whatever. You see it, Serena? I don't know where it is, but we walked in and we trying to figure out where it is. But we parked up. I don't know how parking works, but I think she does. She lives in Miami, not really, but she always in Miami, so she understands. She got that shit, okay? But we're going to Serena. I'll get you. I don't know what they do up there, but I think they have like a live DJ. Obviously brunch. We're gonna check it out. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna have to see. Let's cross the road first and not get run over, okay? There she goes. It was inside of another building, but it's upstairs. Guys. And they playing the tunes. Oh. It's really nice. We got seated. She's so cute. I don't like how my freaking menu has a stain on it, but it is what it is. I'm gonna look and see what I want. At this point, I want something quick, not too much, but yeah. And they're playing the good songs too. Like, okay, let me not get copyrighted. I'll see y'all later. It's the bar here for me. Wow. Sorry. Bitch, you got money. Look at the detail. That's actually oranges. Wow, I've never seen. What is this? Eggplant. onions. That's just like the purple one. Wow. Avocado. Shrimpa. They gave her caviar. So we about to try it. It's hard as hell.
That's what I said. You gotta take more.
I ain't taking nothing.
Take more. That's not
3
fair.
pieces, that's a lot. Alright, ready? Damn, sis, you got a whole plate on your fork. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go!
It's nasty.
Oh, it tastes like fish oil capsule with seasoned. Oh.
It's not good.
Oh,
It does taste like fish oil capsules with salt on there.
exactly. I'm never doing that again. They playing the tunes, y'all. They playing the tunes, but you know, we taking a little pictures or whatever. Okay, so we are heading to our hotel. We're gonna check in. Check-in's at 4 p.m. So we just came to brunch to waste time. Oh my God, today is such a beautiful day.
The pool over there?
I knew I saw a pool, but I was like, can we,
Yes.
you think we could go there?
I don't know.
Let me see. There's a pool there, sis. And I was like, I think I see a pool, but I don't know. Because it's all the way over the across. Serena. If Serena's here, then we got this over there. I had a feeling. That shit's lit as fuck. Okay, let's leave. So we are heading back. Oh, I got a little cool breeze. I don't know what this is, but this is definitely not Serena. This is Serena, obviously. You doing what?
My
Thank you. Okay, let me stop. This is Esther, guys. I'm terrible. Like, this is Esther.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Esther because this is the duo, okay? People in Miami coming? Fuck. That's the first time I've ever seen a blue Tesla. Come on now. What the fuck we in?
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had to watch, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I
There goes our hotel. Okay, purr. We just parked the car. Now we're heading to the lobby with our luggage again. Stop, please. It's beautiful. It smells amazing. I'm so scared. See? All right, open the door. This shit is not working. I told you guys. Okay. Welcome to my luxury apartment. Like, hello. Wow! No! Wow! Get your ass here! Damn! Fuck a kitchen. I'll starve. The balcony! Oh my god, the balcony. Hold on. I never knew how to. Oh? What is this now? No way. Wow. Oh my days. This is life. This is life. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Oh. Get out. Oh, what? You hear that echo? That's how you know it's spacious. Oh my god. The headboard. God damn. Wow. Wow. I know that's right. Bro, my scalp has been screaming this whole day, so I had to take it out. What am I gonna do with myself? Bitch, I'm in the yams. I'm in Miami. That is insane. Wait, can I see? Come on now. Come on now. Y'all see the view? The view is viewing. Yes. I'm gonna wake everybody up. Everybody up. It's so beautiful at night. Oh my god. Miami's literally coming alive. Oh wow. Okay, so here's the plan for tonight. There is this thing called Culture Clash. It's like a spring break Miami 2K22 whatever thing that we want to go to. That's just sleeping. She's taking a little nap because I'm not gonna lie, we've been traveling. I just feel like if I take a nap, not even God could rise me because I'm staying in my bed. I don't want to fall asleep because I know I'm not gonna get up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready or whatever. We're thinking of heading over there probably around 12 a.m. or later. It depends. But I hope tonight is a lituation because Miami seems too promising to be boring. You feel me? So we outside, not in. We're ready. Esther styled me, y'all. Like literally, she styled me. And you can't tell me the pants is snitched. Thank you. Thank you. But we are running late, but we're heading over now to Culture Crash. I'm assuming that's what it is. So we're only 20 minutes away, not even that far. So if we make it in time, we can get in. So I'll see you there.
Oh God. Oh God. When we touch down, bed I broke down. In a late night, me and her locked down. She found John to the side, as a shotgun.
This is what I don't like. Like, I don't... The church, bro. It's a whole church. And then you got a dog just sitting on the goddamn car. Like, I don't understand what's going on at all. But line is skipped at this point. What the fuck is going on? Never do we just waste our money to go to a culture class.
Yup.
No,
and they play.
culture class.
Y'all wasted our money?
Culture clash. If we wasted money, I'm gonna dispute the fuck out of that charge. Culture clash and only 6 songs, 6 Caribbean songs was played.
No,
I'm fucking
they
leaving.
barely even
And we
played
left
6. It was like 3.
3. I left. We're leaving.
Like that
We're
was
leaving.
terrible.
Now I gotta go see if I can swing to the club and get in. Because what? What is that?
that was-
Miami, you doing bad, bro. Like you doing bad right now. With the part, you doing bad.
That shit is-
So now we just gonna
it's
find
sad.
something new at this point.
It's-
Yeah, I don't think you understand the severity of how trash that shit was. Some guy asked me to slow the wine to Family by Popcorn. Are you dumb or are you stupid? Nah, never again. Never again. And is that somebody reversing on the wheelchair? Like in a gas station. And then you have this one just... I hope they're okay at this point, but Jesus. Where did the other one go? We are back. We got checkers. I let Esther drive us back home.
Listen.
And we made it back in one piece. So this is good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.